Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. In this particular video, we are going to talk about information seeking letter. What is a letter and how do we construct one? There are my videos on letter format which you can watch and learn a lot about letter format. Now, in this particular video, as I said, we are going to talk about drafting the paragraphs for an information seeking letter. So the first thing that we need to be very careful about that is that since it's a direct letter, there will be three paragraphs, and in the paragraph 1 we are going to talk about a clear statement of why we are writing the letter. Since it is an information seeking letter, so the purpose will be seeking some information, and we'll mention that what sort of information we require in the first paragraph. In paragraph 2, we obviously provide explanation and we give some reason for why do we need this information. And in this particular format, you can also add bullets. For example, you can write your information questions or you can ask the questions in bullet form, but make sure that those bullets should be clear enough so that the reader of your letter can understand properly. And in paragraph 3, as usual, we close with a specific expectation and appropriate friendly close. Apart from that, we do include certain times few deadlines. For example, if we need some certain information before a period of time, before a point of time, so we need to include this sort of deadline. This is one of the samples written by one of my students, and the letter is about seeking information regarding latest version of laptops. So if you can see the salutation, and then the first paragraph of this letter says that we want to purchase 24 laptops of your latest version. Kindly share with us some useful information regarding the mentioned below questions. So see the purpose. What is the purpose of this letter? The writer has made the purpose clear to the reader in the very first paragraph, and he has asked very generally about what thing he needs information and what sort of information. So he uses very general word like some useful information. And then in paragraph 2 it says, as HP is world leading and having the best technological laptops in the world, we are purchasing your laptops for last 2 years, so we have decided to purchase latest version of laptops too. Carrying forward the same idea of the pair of paragraph 2, the writer then asks specific questions about the generation of laptop, for example, RAM, ROM, storage, and the material of body, cost, and delivery, and any discount available. So you see a number of questions have been made in order to ask specific pieces of information. So, and obviously the writer has included um, whatever he wants to or she wants to know about it. Now this is the third paragraph, and if we read it, kindly provide us the mentioned information as soon as possible, above mentioned information as soon as possible, before 15 March 2019, because we have to distribute these laptops, our gem winners on this. So you see that a context has been created that they need this information before certain date because they have to distribute. So you can mention any deadline if you wish the company to provide you certain information before that event, so that you can make decisions accordingly for its procurement or whatever the case may be. So this is how we construct, we draft a 3 paragraph information seeking letter. I hope this video is going to help you. So watch it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.